Consumers today have more choices than ever. To thrive in this busy market, independent retailers need to provide an exceptional customer experience while operating profitably. Key challenges retailers face include managing inventory, increasing sales volume, and maximizing staff productivity effectively. Epicor Eagle can help. Epicor Eagle is a feature-rich, easy-to-use retail management system trusted by more than 4,400 independent retailers. Designed with decades of industry know-how, Eagle helps retailers like you operate stores more efficiently while exceeding customer expectations. Epicor Eagle offers comprehensive retail management functionality, including inventory management to simplify daily tasks so you can optimize inventory levels, avoiding costly stockouts. An intuitive point of sale that gives store associates the inventory and customer information they need to deliver a personalized customer experience. Timely and accurate analytics and reporting to enable faster and better informed strategic decisions. And many more features to address everything from e-commerce to back-office operations, helping you meet your ever-changing business needs. Eagle is your one-stop solution to help boost profitability, effectively manage inventory, create loyal customers, easily train employees, and so much more. Enhance your retail success today with Epicor Eagle. For more information, visit us at epicor.com/retail or call 1-888-463-4700.